How to enable or disable Always Listen for Siri on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the main settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Siri. In here, scroll down and then tap on Always Listen for Siri. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off the Always Listen for Siri feature. Now it said that when you turn this on, the phone listens for Siri or Hey Siri when your iPhone is facing down or uncovered. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.